Why are airplane seats still so uncomfortable? Planes have been around for over 100 years. But the seats still feel like sitting on a rock. In the 1970s, seats had more room, but now, the average seat is smaller, and the rows are tighter. The reason is simple: airlines are not selling comfort. They are selling space. More seats mean more tickets. More tickets mean more money. Even though planes are more advanced, the goal is still profit. So next time you feel squished, just remember, you are not paying for comfort. You are paying to fit.